was the famous queen of ancient Egypt? The options are A. Nefertiti, B. Cleopatra, C. Hatshepsut. The correct answer is Cleopatra. The Great Wall of China was built to protect against which group? The options are A. Mongols, B. Japanese, C. Persians. The correct answer is Mongols. Where was the first recorded Olympic Games held? The options are A. Rome, B. Olympia, C. Athens. The correct answer is Olympia. Which country was the first to land a man on the moon? The options are A. Russia, B. USA, C. China. The correct answer is USA. What empire was ruled by Alexander the Great? The options are A. Persian, B. Roman, C. Macedonian. The correct answer is Macedonian. The Code of Hammurabi originated in which civilization? The options are A. Babylon, B. Egypt, C. Greece. The correct answer is Babylon. What wall fell in 1989, symbolizing the end of the Cold War? The options are A. The Great Wall, B. The Berlin Wall, C. The Iron Wall. The correct answer is the Berlin Wall. Who crossed the Alps with elephants? The options are A. Caesar, B. Hannibal, C. Napoleon. The correct answer is Hannibal. What ancient city was destroyed by a volcanic eruption in 1979 AD? The options are A. Carthage, B. Pompeii, C. Athens. The correct answer is Pompeii. What philosopher was sentenced to death in Athens? The options are A. Plato, B. Aristotle, C. Socrates. The correct answer is Socrates. Where did the French Revolution begin? The options are A. Versailles, B. Paris, C. Lyon. The correct answer is Paris. Who signed the Magna Carta? The options are A. Henry VIII, B. William the Conqueror, C. King John. The correct answer is King John. Who was the first US President? The options are A. Abraham Lincoln, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. George Washington. The correct answer is George Washington. Who Who led the nonviolent independence movement in India? The options are A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which explorer first sailed around the world? The options are A. Vasco da Gama, B. Ferdinand Magellan, C. Christopher Columbus. The correct answer is Ferdinand Magellan. The invention of the printing press is credited to? The options are A. Galileo, B. Johannes Gutenberg, C. Da Vinci. The correct answer is Johannes Gutenberg. Which famous artist painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling? The options are A. Michelangelo, B. Raphael, C. Donatello. The correct answer is Michelangelo. Who was the ruler during England's Golden Age? The options are A. Queen Victoria, B. Queen Elizabeth I, C. Mary I. The correct answer is Queen Elizabeth I. The Renaissance began in which country? The options are A. France, B. Italy, C. Germany. The correct answer is Italy. The Wright brothers are famous for inventing? The options are A. The car, B. The airplane, C. The telephone. The correct answer is the airplane. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.